In this video, I am going to show how to install and use Record My Desktop on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal and then update your system using this command sudo apt update. Hit enter. Now enter the password for the user. Hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system. After updating the system, write this command record my desktop, hit enter. Now copy this command to install record my desktop application on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. That's it. Record my desktop installed successfully on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now I am going to show you how to record the desktop using Record My Desktop application. At first, open Settings of Ubuntu and then select Sound and then select the input device from this drop down list and also set the input volume. Okay. Now open terminal and write this command record my desktop and hit enter to begin the recording of the desktop. That's it. Record my desktop application capturing the desktop. Now I am going to save the capturing record. Simply press Ctrl and C once. Then it may take a while for generating the output file within the name out.ogv format into the home directory. That's it. Output file generated successfully. Now I am going to open this file with VLC media player and see. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.